Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going over Genesis 1:11 and I'm going to show you how to read each word in this verse, and then I am going to translate it in English and in Spanish and follow it up with a few phrases in modern Hebrew. Let's begin. Vayomer Elohim Tad She Haaretz De She Esev Matzria Zera Etz Peri Ose Peri Lemino Asher Zaro Vo Al Haaretz Ve Vayehi Ken. Okay, let's go over the meaning of these words. Vayomer. And he said, we all know this word, we've seen it so many times before. Elohim, God. Tadshe, should vegetate it, should vegetate. Haaretz, haaretz. That is land, the land. Okay, so we have the she. That means vegetation. Esev is herb. Matzria is seed or emitting seed. Zera means seed. Etz is tree. Peri is of fruit or fruit. Ose is making. Peri is fruit. Lemino is to its kind or its kind. Well, actually, this is to. So, to its kind. Asher means that. Zereo means its seed. Vo means in it. Al means on. Haaretz means the land. Vayehi means and it was. And ken means so. And in Spanish, y dijo Dios, produzca la tierra vegetación, hierbas que den semilla, y árboles frutales que den fruto sobre la tierra según su género, con su semilla en él. Y fue así. Okay, let's go to the next item here. This is modern Hebrew. And today we're going to learn how to say, where are you from? And answer, I am Israeli. Okay, so מאיפה אתה? מאיפה אתה? Where are you from? That's for male singular. For a woman, it's מאיפה את? מאיפה את? I'm Israeli. For a female, it is אני Israelית. אני Israelית. I'm Israeli. For a male, you would say אני Israeli. אני Israeli. And איפה means where, which pertains to this question, where are you from? From is me. Ata is you, male singular, and at is you, female singular. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe. See the red button, subscribe. And don't forget to give it a like. It takes time and dedication to do these videos. Show your appreciation. I do these videos for you so that you can learn Hebrew. And I throw in a little modern Hebrew to give you something different and fun. So in Hebrew we say, see you later, lehitraot. So I say to you, lehitraot, lehitraot.